Welcome to Tech It Simple. I'm back with another quick and easy tutorial video on how to hide your profile in your Tinder, providing you with control over your visibility on this platform. To begin, open your Tinder application on the mobile device and click on the human icon at the right corner below. This will take you to your profile. Here, click on the settings at the top right corner of the screen. Scroll down until you find the Enable Discovery option. By turning it off, your profile will be hidden, and the discovery feature will be disabled. However, it's important to note that people who have already liked you can still see and match with you. To hide your profile, simply toggle the Enable Discovery button to turn it off. A dialog box will appear asking you to confirm the disabling of this feature. Click on Disable Discovery, and your profile is now hidden. Return to the home base, and you will notice that your card is hidden, indicating that your profile is now out of sight. If you ever wish to unhide or enable your profile again, just click on the Enable Discovery button. With this feature, you can control when you want to be visible on the platform, providing flexibility in managing your online presence. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Also, hit that bell icon to get notifications on more helpful tutorials. See you in the next video. Stay connected.